packing weighing scale with printer. Now I will select the number 1. We have here 1000 numbers of product. Let us say number 1 495 to 505 range. Now it will also check light weights, red, yellow, green. Whenever the weights are in the range, it will automatically add the item, its total payment, and it will show the lights, and it will also beep the buzzer when the items get added. Now let us say second payment, third payment, fourth payment, fifth payment. Now if I put another weight without the range, it will not add. If it is below the range, it will show the orange light. If it is above the weight, it will show the red light. But it will not add the weight into the. If I put again the OK weight, it will add it. 6. Now press the print button for the total packing list. Now 6 payments, all weights, number of parcel and weight. We can set the memories. We have 1000 numbers of memory. Let's say I will set the 9 number product memory. 9. It will show all payment. Now press clear button. I will press tab. Here I will add, let us say 1000. Now it's higher payment. Let us say 1100. Now if I select the weight, 1000 and 1100. Thank you.